Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to work with the Microbit and we are going to have some experience with the IoT extension. I am going to leave the IoT extension web page. You could get it from in the description if you want to get it for yourself. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so let's unbox the IoT kit. So let's just unbox it and see what's inside. So here is the little notebook, the guide, but today we're doing it from here. Okay, so here is the main motherboard. We have a Wi-Fi module, we have a little add-on slot, we have the on-off switch, the microbit holder, and P pins. So this is, and now we have the sonar sensor. Look at that, wow. You can see kind of very nice. So yeah, now we have the water sensor. Water sensor is a bit hard to get out. Got the water sensor. We got the soil sensor. Nice. We have the dust sensor. We have the humidity sensor. We have the light sensor. We have the sound sensor. And we have the motion sensor / IR sensor. And my personal favorite, the display. Look at that. Okay, let's get this open up, because these are where the wires are. We have all the wires we need, and we have a motor. So let's get right into the video. Okay, we're back. So we want to make sure that it's good, and we want to make sure that it's plugged in good and everything works. Now you might want to connect your Wi-Fi. You don't have to, but I'm gonna show you right now what it does. So before we do that, let's just download it. Okay, so let's download it and let's just look at it. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is take the motherboard. This is basically what makes everything work. Now take your microbit, and I have the case on it. I don't know, I have to make a tutorial video on how to put the case. But if you had it on, you could take it off. And then you could take it and put it into the microbit slot. So kind of like this. Perfect. Now when you hear that click and you see all of these plugged in good, then what you want to do is take your cable connected to your PC or whatever it is, your tablet, and then you want to plug it in. So kind of like, oh my god, this is keep dropping. Like on top of there. And make sure it turns red. So now that it's logged in, let's go back to the computer. Okay, so actually before we do this, we need to make sure we download it again, because we just now downloaded the IoT. So now let's get right back. Okay, so now it's downloaded. If we press button A, we said it says hi. Yes, perfect. It says hi. Now let's press A plus B together at the same time. Now let's hope this clears the display. Yes, it has cleared. Now we said if button B, it'll show a new string. So let's do it. It showed number 5. Perfect. Now we need to go on shake. We need to shake it. So let's clear the screen. And now let's shake it. Now it's loading 5%. Now 100. Perfect. Now let's clear it. Perfect. So now let's get right back. Okay, so we are back in. So now I cleared everything for you to make a fresh new start. Now, TFT424 is a different type of stuff. We should not maybe mess with this. I'm going to make a video about this, actually. This is a bit more complicated. So, let's go on this. This is telling the year. Now, this is not going to be the same when the day I post it. It might not be the same, but to me, it's 2025. It is April. It is April 15th. It is 4:32. And I'll just tell it. Now, this is for Wi-Fi. This is actually way different. Now, you could connect to your Wi-Fi SSID and your password. And you can make like a website like Google. Or you can make it something. And you could send data, you could have websites, basically. You could do anything, basically. So, yeah, that's I'm gonna make like you could connect, and I'm not going to do this today because yeah, I don't want to, but it would show the data here if you connected it, and then it would show your data. So now that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.